by bits. So let me sit down and show you. Morning guys, so it's on the 3rd. Is it on the 3rd of December? Don't mind, this is my band. Last night I put it up here. So I'm about to have breakfast. It's almost 7:30. Yeah, so let me go have breakfast and then go shower and then head out. So my breakfast is ready. I'm having a cinnamon roll. I'm having a bread. See that? I think it's a sandwich. Anyway, it's healthy. Hey guys, so welcome back. I just got home right now. It's not that long and I did my nails. As you can see from afar, they look really cute. As I said, this is the style that I will be having from now onwards. So yeah, they look like that. I did an ombre, white and a beige, and then so as I was saying, I got this a while back in Italy. I think 2 years right now, 2 or 3, no, 2 years. Yeah, 2 years. I remember why. So yeah, it's really warm. The weather has really been cold and rainy, which is okay, but I don't like this weather. So anyway, I wanted to show you this patches that I forgot to even share with you guys. I got this on Saturday. Yeah, my brother shipped it in. Yeah, so let me show you shortly how it looks. It's this buds, earbuds by Beats. So let me sit down and show you or tell you how it works. Let me also remove this because it's too much. It's too much. So this is better. Yeah, so I have these earbuds on. They are connected to my phone, and honestly no one can even tell you're listening to anything or doing anything. So it's already connected to my phone. So these earbuds come in this box. I already removed them because today is on Friday, so I've had them for a week right now. So when you open inside, they come looking like this, and then comes with a charger, because of course you need to charge it. This is the type C. The type C charger, and damn, where is it? Not this. Anyway, it comes with a type C charger, and then a booklet written in English and I think in Chinese, and then comes with extra two round thingies right here, which you stick into your ears. Oh, this is the charger. Imagine I'm holding it na sioni. Anyway, so this is the type C charger. So you charge it like that, and then to open, voila, looks like this. I have one on and one is still inside. It's magnetic. See that? They can't fall down. Yeah, these are perfect. And then when you remove, you just fix them. And then the amazing thing about this, it's the fact that it's touch. When you hold it for like 2-3 seconds, it's on. When you hold it for another 2-3 seconds, you off it. And then you can still use this to pick your calls or to reject calls. You can still use the touch because it's touch sensitive. So you can still, if you press it like 3 times, you power on you add the volume. When you touch it 3 sides on this side, you reduce the volume. How cool, right? What else does it do? Pause and pause, still using the touch sensitive button. And also my phone is an iPhone, so it's Siri activated if you, I think, long press or something of the sort. So amazing. This is a very good purchase that I got, and it's I haven't charged it since then, and I use it like on a daily. So I actually want to edit a video that I'm supposed to put up tonight by 9. So yeah, pretty cool. I love this purchase. So this was going for, how much was it? 2,800. Okay, I bargained. It was 3,500, but yeah, I bargained 2,800. If you want to know where I got it from, I'll leave the details in the description box. So yeah, amazing. I'm in love. And the fact that it's black, the only thing that I need to do is get a case for them, because yeah, the fact that it's black, it's my thing. Also, see this black. This is my power bank, and I haven't also charged this in over how long? In 4 days. But I only use it when I'm in a matatu and the phone needs to be charged. So yeah, let me catch you later, guys. Bye bye, good night. I need to go cook and then edit a video and then upload a video. Just so hey, okay, ciao ciao, bye bye.